Hello everyone, and welcome to Technology with AK. I'm your instructor, AK here, and today I'll be teaching you guys how to create and verify Binance account. So let's directly dive into it. So the first thing to do is stop the video and go to the description and click on this registration link to get a $100 fee rebate for free. You will be redirected to this page. Here you will be rewarded with a 100 USDT trading fee rebate if you came from my link. Okay, here you have 3 options through which you can register. You can sign up with email or phone or continue with Google or Apple as well. We will sign up with an email for now. Enter your email address and make sure to enter my referral code 381033159 here, if not entered already, to get $100 worth of USDT fee rebate and much more. Then click on Next. Then click on Get Code. Then check your mail for the code. Then copy the code. Paste it back here. Click on Submit. Now set up a password, and make sure to keep one character in capital case, and use symbols and numbers as well. Then click on Next. And congratulations! Your account has been created. Click on Done. Now we will move to the second phase, which is to verify your account, to enjoy the ultimate benefits. For that, click on Verify Now. Here, you can verify your account on either the browser or install the app and continue on it. We will install the app since it is recommended. Click on the arrow, and you will be redirected to Play Store or if Apple users so Apple Store. Click on Install and wait for it to be downloaded. Then open it once downloaded. Then enter your email to log in. Then enter password. Then click on Get Code. Then check the mail for the code. And copy the code. Then paste it back here. And it will take you to this page. Click on Get Verified. Select your residence. You can search for yours. Then click on Continue. Then select your nationality. Enter your personal information that is written on your official documents. And click on Continue. Then enter your current home address. Then postal code. And city. And click on Continue. Then select the document type for verification. I will select my national ID as it is recommended. Click on Continue. Now you can either take a picture of your national ID's front and later back side and upload it, or you can directly upload it from your gallery if it has already been taken. I'll do it from the gallery. For that, click on Continue. Allow all permissions. Click on Photo icon, select Albums. Then select your front side image. Then click on Continue. And again, the same procedure is for the back of the ID card. Then click on Continue and your documents are uploaded. Click on Continue again. Now you will have to show your face live and do whatever they say. For that, click on Continue. Now show the front of your face. Then nod your head. Then blink your eyes. Then turn your face left and right. And it will automatically show that your verification is completed, but yet it is not. Click on Close. And here you will see, in review, which means that it will be reviewed and then you will be a verified user. The estimated time for this reviewing process is 1 day as written. Let's see how much time will it take. So guys, after 3 hours I checked my account and it was verified. So this is how you can also create and verify Binance account. Again, the link is in the description. Do register from there to get huge rewards. And this brings us to the end of the video. If the video was helpful, so please like the video, not forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.